Look at that damage. What unreal. Let's get this thing unloaded, and then we'll put it inside the shop and check it out. Check out the damage. It's pretty sweet. Wow, look at that two-tone interior. It's got a jet ski too. Pretty sweet. Oh, it looks like the battery's good. So on strap, look at that. Ooh. It's only 400 miles. It's a brand new truck right here. Alright. Let's get it driven off. Alright guys, so there it is, the 2019 1500 Ram Rebel. Man, this thing's a beast, but so sad. Front end damage, rear damage. Just drove it off the lot, must have got sandwiched between two cars. It's just so nice though. I mean, inside still smells brand new. This interior is just fantastic. Like, check that out. Look how clean it is. Airbags didn't deploy, so that's nice. But the seatbelt does look like it's locked up. Dang, it's got that combo leather and cloth. I'm sure it's got heated seats, cooling seats, all that fun stuff. Power. Oh yeah. Look at that, 400 miles on it. Man, this thing is nice. Interior's fantastic. So the game plan today is I'm going to take apart the front end, see what kind of damage we got going on. I mean, this engine still looks brand new. Basically, it is brand new. Dang. Hopefully our radiators are okay, fan, we'll check it all out, see what's going on. We're going to save as many pieces as we can. Being so new, parts are probably really expensive, hard to find, so we're going to be careful, keep it all together, keep it organized. So I'll get that front end taken apart, and then we're going to get the bed off. Definitely got some damage right there. Watch out for that. Rear bumper's messed up. Tailgate, probably got some frame damage, I don't know. It's hard to tell till we take it apart. Muffler's bent. Definitely some work to do, but ain't nothing we haven't done before. So we got that Viper, now we got this Ram. Basically the top of the line for the trucks. Fully loaded, it's so nice. Still starts right up. I don't even know what kind of options we have here. Controls. Oh yeah. Heated wheel? No. What? Oh yeah. Definitely hook up your phone to it for sure. Yep, here we go. Oh, I feel it already. Wow. That's nice. I don't know if I need it, but I like it. Just look at this thing. So clean. I love the little trim work all around. Very nice. Yeah, that rear bumper's a pain in the butt. I got all the bolts out, but it's being crimpled like that. It's just not coming out, but that's fine. Wait for the frame machine, pull it all out, get it all straightened out. We'll get it off. It's all good. Move on to the bed. What's up, guys? Let's get this bed off without damaging too much. Always a process. I was definitely like that when I got it, alright guys, so that wasn't me. Alright, so it looks like there's 4 main bolts holding on this cab, but unfortunately one of them's pinched due to the accident. So that's why I'm over there cutting and grinding, trying to get to my bolt. Well, almost, but I got a bolt that I gotta cut. I don't know if you can see it or not. Right where my finger's at. So right here, this bolt is just spinning. It doesn't want to let go of the bed. So I gotta cut it off. All right. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's in there. Yeah, definitely can't see it, but that's what I gotta do. I got the other side already. Gotta get this one off.
You got a brand new spare.
There you go, 2019.
How about that new horn?
That's a weird place to put a horn. But no, that's messed up. Look at all that frame damage. That's definitely been cut off and replaced, welded.
Yeah.
But there's a will, there's a way.
Like a spare tire.
Yeah. It's definitely bent.
It's Gotta come out.
But I'm happy it didn't go further down. Like, the frame itself was okay, just the ends. So that's good.
Looks like that tire is not right.
It wasn't hit too bad on top, but man, it got hit hard underneath. Look at that. Basically, tow hook looks fine on this side, but over here, man, big mess. Looks like it went down. Not a bunch of plastics and brackets, so nothing major. Engine looks perfectly fine over here. So let's just keep digging. You know what they say, you gotta tear down before you get build up, so let's go ahead and keep going. Keep tearing down. Alright guys, I got as far as I could, but honestly, I need to go to the frame machine, start pulling this side out so I can get to the bolts that hold the bumper. It's all pretty mangled up in there. Just do a little bit, put the parts inside the bed, keep it all organized. Headlights put inside the car, you know, don't want to get scratched up or lost, but just keep going. Put on the frame, start pulling. Alright guys, so we got the Rebel on the frame machine, ready to take the front bumper off. I struggled outside, I couldn't really get it off. Basically right there's the impact where I gotta unbolt it. It's all crumbled up. I'm just having a difficult time, but since we got a frame machine, it's nice. We'll pull it out, give some clearance, take the bolts out, then we can see what's going on, and see what further damage is, and get the parts ordered. Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, got the front bumper off. A little pain in the butt, but honestly, wasn't too bad. I'm excited. It doesn't look that bad at all. No frame damage, no major frame damage. We got a little flap right here bent, you know, but that's not a big deal. Bend that back, pull it, hammer, whatever. But overall, structurally, it looks pretty sound. I'm happy with it. Nice. I mean, this thing's pretty rigid. Look at this thing. Massive. Everything's so brand new. Looks so clean. Got a little work right here where I just replace this piece, pull this back a little bit. But yeah, it looks good. Now we know what we need to order for sure. The shutter thing. I don't think I could solve that.
Are you sure, Michael? We can
Salvage title on that one.
it, and it's like a jigsaw puzzle.
I think we might need to get a new one. Motor might be fine, but no, that's probably fine. But yeah, looking good. Progress. Let's keep going.
Also, Michael, we're done for this time, right?
Yeah,
Are we
honestly.
doing a giveaway on this truck?
Always doing a giveaway. I don't know if you guys want a Rebel sign or a different custom sign. Let us know. Comment Rebel below. Make sure to subscribe. Share the video. That'd be fantastic. Turn on the notification bell. Alright guys, go in the office and find our winner. Alright guys, so we're back inside. We're going to find a winner for our giveaways. We're still going to do giveaways. So we're just going to load up our old Jaguar video, which basically was one episode, how we got it from start to finish. So we didn't really pick that one before. So we got 187 comments. Let's find our first winner.
And what are we going to do with this one?
So basically, if you win, you could email us what you like, a Raptor sign or just a custom Rebel sign. I mean, we'll figure it out. We'll let you guys know if we could do it or not. So here we go. Winner number 1, Colin Prince. Brilliant job, beautiful car. Since there's no really specifications, you win, bro. Congrats. Go ahead and email us your address and what kind of sign you want made, what kind of plaque. We'll make it for you. Winner number 2, Big Bob 1013. Keep up the great builds. I appreciate it, Big Bob. I hope you like your sign too. We'll make some for you. And our final winner is Wicked Snowman. Jaguar F-Pace not my style. Well, Jaguar's not your style. Let us know what you want. We got the Viper, we got the Hellcat, Mustang. A lot of builds. A lot of things to choose from. Alright guys, appreciate it.
What do you guys think about the Rebel build?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's pretty nice. Sick truck for sure. Would I pick it over the Raptor or the Silverado? I don't know.
We'll see when we're done with it.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna drive it for sure. Alright guys, stay tuned. Till next time.